So you might have some Gaussian splats and you want them in Unity. There is a repository on GitHub. Let's go to the main. This one over here, which is the result of a paper at SIGGRAPH. SIGGRAPH, if you don't know, is a famous conference for computer graphics. And yeah, you can download the repository and open it in Unity. I already did that, so it's here. And in this video, I will show you how to import the Gaussian splat. This was created in 2023. I'm using the latest version of Unity, so 6000.4.5. I already tried to import something here, but basically once you open the project, you will have this test scene, which you can open. This is an empty scene. And here you have in the menu, Tools, Gaussian Splats, Create Gaussian Splats Asset. You click on the folder icon, you select your Gaussian splat, and then you click on Create Asset. I already did that. This was the asset created and creates also other file types. Now here in the hierarchy, you have Gaussian splats. You select the asset and you will see that is loaded into Unity. Now, probably what you see is this, so it's far away. This is actually a sphere if you zoom out. You will have to zoom in where the origin is, so these arrows over here. And you will see this is the telephone cabin that I scanned, basically. Is not cleaned, this splat, but here it is. So this is how you import a Gaussian splat in Unity. And you can also press play. Of course, here the main camera is at that level. So you will have to edit the camera, add the player, and so on. I hope this was useful. And yeah, I made other content about Gaussian splatting, so check them out in my channel. Bye.